Then what we're going to do is we are going to dry them correctly and efficiently. So whether that be with blue roll, you might use towels in your salon, or even you might use your dryers and blast them off. Again, any way is fine to do, as long as you're making sure that they're fully dry. Once they have been cleaned, what you're going to want to do is make sure that they are stored correctly. So again, you might have different ways of doing it in your salon, but you might have a scissor pot like this, or you might have drawers like this, where all of the scissors are laid out, all flat, nothing is sticking up, there's no worries for them to be poking you or stabbing you when you go to get them out. Similarly with your scissor pot, all of your scissors are facing downwards again to make them safe. And it would be exactly the same for your clipper blades. You can see here again, they're all flat laid out. We can see very easily what the numbers are on the different blades, but again, they're kept safely and they're not in a damp area, so we don't have to worry about rust.